Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by finding the machine ID and opening the display controls. This gives you the fastest route to the screen spec. You will check the model number on the bottom or in System Info, then open Display Settings right away. Once done, make sure the laptop is on a firm surface and apps are closed so measurements or settings aren't altered. This step saves time because many models list diagonal size and native resolution directly in system menus, which is quicker than manual measuring. You now dive into system-level details to confirm the exact screen size and pixel dimensions. In Windows, open Settings then Display and Advanced Display Info. On Mac OS, About This Mac then displays. On Linux, use Settings or run Xrandr to list connected display modes. Once done, compare the reported diagonal in inches with the native resolution to understand pixel density and aspect ratio, because knowing both helps when matching wallpapers or external. You finish by verifying with a physical measurement and resolving discrepancies. Use a tape measure to read the visible diagonal from one corner of the active screen to the opposite corner. Compare that inch value to the system-reported diagonal and resolution. Once done, reconcile differences. Drivers or firmware can report wrong specs, or bezel may hide tiny edges. If things go wrong, update display drivers, check the exact model revision, or remeasure ensuring you exclude bezel. That usually fixes most conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.